In front of me is a Bocoin K800, and today I will show you how to enable the developer options. So start off, you will need to open up the settings and go all the way down into About Phone, right here. And then you should find build number right here and tap that 7 times. You see, you get a message, you are now a developer. And if you go one back, you will now see a option that has appeared above the settings called the developer options. Now if you tap on it, you have a plethora of different options here, so you can choose whatever you like. Probably the most notable ones are the speeds, so Windows and other things are opening quicker, like right here. Window animation scale, transition animation scale, and animation duration scale. Now if you can change it to 0, for instance, from the other, by default it's 1, but if you set it to 0 basically, then animations like when you close it, when you have that minimization effect where it kind of like falls down, will basically be completely removed and you will immediately be in the home screen. So that is basically how you enable the developer options, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.